I'm Andy Totten, and welcome to this old high school. Six weeks ago on our last episode, we started in this series of rooms. This is an example of what happened in most of the classrooms that we tackled this summer. As you see, there's new flooring, new base, new ceiling, light fixtures, preparation for new mechanical. Also in this room you have the box here in the corner, which is going to be part of the enhanced AV system. This room will be getting a new DVD system, a projector hanging from the ceiling, as well as an enhanced sound speaker system. This space, when we started in here last time, 6 weeks ago in our last show, this was wide open to the other end. This space has become a series of 2 classrooms and office space for social studies department. We're now in the foreign language corridor. You can see in this corridor not a lot of changes in the corridor itself. We've got new ceiling, new lighting, some new paint on the walls. The dramatic difference has really been in the rooms. Here we're entering room 258. In this room here we received new flooring, actually some new wall configuration slightly. We've got new power and data in the room. Everything's been painted, new ceiling, new lights. And this is actually one of the rooms that is receiving air conditioning from the new systems right now. This room is also receiving the enhanced AV system. Here we are in the English corridor. As you can see, this is another typical exterior room that's been finished. You see again the new ceiling, new lights, preparation for new mechanical system, new flooring and base, new wire mold that holds new power and data. All that system has been completely reworked. Again, this room is getting the enhanced AV. You see the box for that over there. Oh, also all the rooms we worked in, the 21 rooms this summer, all got new blinds when they're exterior rooms. And here is Riverside's finest. Now we're entering 216 on the English hallway. This was a courtyard room. This is become an interior room now. This room was chosen as as a pilot room. But as you see the woodwork around the room, there's old casework throughout the building in various states from all the different editions. And we wanted to try to paint in this room to see not only how it holds up, but aesthetically how it looks with the rest of the room. There's so many different finishes in all these rooms. You want to try to get something to tie them all together as we're going through. We're going to go into the new music infill area. If you recall, 6 weeks ago in the last episode, this area was just getting foundations. Let's go take a look. School is back in session, so you see right now we're going through these security partitions. Security is our most important focus at this point and throughout the job. We've got to keep separation between the students and staff and the construction work that's going on. Now we're walking into the entry of the new music area. You see as this opens up behind me, you'll be walking through doors here in the future. This area here, as you come on in, this area here will be student instrument lockers as well as practice rooms. In front of me will be the offices for choral and band. And this large open space behind is going to be the new music, the new band, and the new choral departments. Again, as we're walking through, on either side of me, this is going to be the instrument lockers. At the far ends are small student practice rooms. We're right now walking directly through the band director's office. And the space that opens up behind you is this is the large band room. It's going to really be a fantastic, dramatic space. Since we were last in here, foundations were completed, floor slab has been put in, all the structural steel is standing, roof drainage system has been tied in as well as picking up the surrounding roof areas. Roof deck has been put on, all the roof trusses are in, a spray fireproofing is in, the windows have been infilled with block. Block creating the practice rooms and the offices has begun. We made a lot of progress in this area in the last 6 weeks. Right now the camera is panning this large truss which separates the space into the 2 major areas. On your left side now is will be the large open space for the band practice area. On your right it will be the large open space for the choral. department. In the corner you see the start of a block wall there that'll be storage for the choral department for their files and equipment. I'm Andy Totten with McHugh Construction. See you next time on This Whole High School. This area just had begun getting foundations in.
Okay, let's try it one more time.
We're going to be entering the new music infill.
Wow.
Yeah. If you recall, 6 weeks ago when we looked in this space, they were just finishing up putting the foundations in. Thank you. I'm Andy Totten with McHugh Construction, and thanks for watching This Whole High School. Cornball.
I don't even see your hand.
I'm Andy Totten with...
I messed up that.
We're going to go into the new music infill. If you recall in the last episode 6 weeks ago, this area was just getting foundation. Let's go inside and take a look. Thanks. Pull.
Hello. Hello.
So close. Pull.